Hey, what's happening, everybody? Antoine Glover here with Rocky P. Combs, bringing you yet another beautiful listing here in Colorado Springs. We're at 5639 Sunshade Point. Let's go take a look. Over 1,600 square feet, move-in ready, and tucked into this peaceful Sundown Villas community. This one is special.
When I look at you, it seems so damn easy to love.
Stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar for casual meals, and a private patio that backs to green space. This home blends interior comfort with outdoor calm. Upstairs, the primary suite features vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, and an updated ensuite. A true retreat at the end of the day.
So alive.
And yes, there's a finished basement, extra bedroom, full bath, and a bonus space for guests, workouts, or even a movie night. Minutes from shopping, dining, and the Powers Corridor. If you want convenience without sacrificing peace, this is it. 5639 Sunshade Point. You're not just buying a beautiful home, you're buying a lifestyle.